Hey guys, it's Keisha here with another video, and this time I have for you a bug with Gnoll, and we're going to show you a few games that demonstrates the bug. So the first one here, you'll see that I start off as Priest, and I'm going to keep the passage here and get rid of the other cards. And you'll see what the issue is. The problem is that Gnoll sometimes will have a 0 cost when it's supposed to have like a 1 cost, or it'll have a 1 cost when it's supposed to have a 0 cost. So I'm just trying to identify what causes that issue. So you'll see here that Gnoll is 4, so we're going to passage, and what do we get when we passage? We get a rogue card, another rogue card, a neutral card, and a dual class card. So that should reduce the cost of Gnoll by 3 more. So Gnoll should be 1 now, but it's actually a 0, not a 1. Why is that? No idea. Who knows why it's a 0? I think this has something to do with the mulligan, but we're going to look at another game now and try to figure out if this one has any more information for us. So if you look at the mulligan here, I have Swindle, Gnoll, and Passage in the mulligan. I'm going to keep Gnoll and Passage and get rid of Swindle. And then we'll see what that does, what effect that has. So yep, as I said, getting rid of that Swindle and keeping Gnoll and Passage. Now we're going to Passage. Gnoll is 4 because we drew the Prize Plunderer, which is a rogue card, and we're Hunter. So now we Passage. Draw a rogue card, another rogue card, and another rogue card. So it's 4 rogue cards. So now Gnoll should be 0 because it was 4, and we drew 4 rogue cards. And one of those cards we drew was Swindle. But you see here that Gnoll's 1. So my theory is this has something to do with the mulligan. So let's look at another game. This is the last one. There's just 3 that I found this issue in. I think it's specifically just when you passage while you are another class. I think that's the only time when this issue comes up. So we're going to toss everything except for Gnoll. Keep the Gnoll. And then we're going to passage on 1. And if any of you guys have experienced this issue, feel free to write it in the comments below. So we drew three rogue cards and 1 neutral. Right? We're going to play one of the rogue cards, or 2 of the rogue cards, Prep and Extortion. That should have no effect. Right? But now Gnoll is 0, it should be 1. It should have a 1 cost, right? Because we drew a neutral card, not a rogue card.